Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to take up the Great Plains Ryan STA. Have some fun with her. Run a 3200 4S Smart Pack. Got a smart Avian motor, 60 amp Avian ESC, 3200 4S with a 50C Smart Pack, and non-Spektrum servos. All right. The vibration I had in the first two flights was the plastic spinner on the front. The prop was balanced, shaft is fine, mount was fine. It was the spinner, plastic spinner. She still has a little bit of noise to her, but nothing like she had before. But I've decided I'm not even going to worry about a spinner. I like the way she looks with just that metal nut on there. All right, timer set for 6 minutes. Here we go. Yeah, she's actually a lot quieter than she was before, believe it or not.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Good looking plane, good flying plane. Now them wheel pants, they'll get dug in pretty quick on that grass, so I really don't want to do a nose over with that quick little bounce and go is what I'm going to do in the way of grass ops.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Flies inverted, no problem at all. All right, let's take it by. We're going to bring her by full speed down the runway this time. Take it up. Snap rolls, no problem. Good flying plane, good flying plane. She has very hard wheels. Take off from this way. Straight up. All right, go ahead and do another tail slide. Well, try it again down here. Tail slide, up. Big old roll. Big loop. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, we're gonna have to land it and call it because we got one more plane to fly and we are running out of light. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And that was much better. Did we do an after battery report on the last one? Hold on just a second. Let me get the checker because I left it over here. Yeah, we did because I put the battery away. Okay, yeah, because we talked about AS3X rates and everything. All right. I still had 1:44 left on a 6-minute timer, but like I said, I want one more plane I want to fly, so I got to call it quits. But to show you, or to tell you what I had left in the battery, 49%, so that's still good. That's good. All right. Running an AR631 receiver. Okay. The rates that I flew in, because this is just a simple 4-channel plane. Okay. That way you can see it. Okay. Aileron 125, 40% expo. Elevator 80, 40% expo. Rudder 125, 40% expo. Okay. My AS3X Plus settings are a little bit modified from the default. Roll 30%, pitch 35%, yaw 50%. Okay. Priority, heading nothing. Priority, instead of the 140, priority is all 120 down the board. 120 roll, 120 pitch, 120 yaw. Okay, nothing with a heading. Stop lock at default of stop lock at 35 all the way down, and release rate didn't mess with it. 55, 55, and 75 on roll, pitch, and yaw. When I give you those numbers, that's all roll, pitch, and yaw. So nothing else changed. Gain sensitivity at 1. Obviously not a nose wheel because she doesn't have a nose wheel. And there you go. All right, folks. That is the Great Plains. Now, I understand this is sold by Tower Hobbies. It's branded as a Tower Hobby product. But when you open the kit, it's a Great Plains. It's got the Great Plains logo, Great Plains instructions. It's a Great Plains sold by Tower Hobbies. So, I understand that's what you're getting. Great Plains backs this up as the manufacturer. But it's a good flying plane. It is not a beginner build. And it is a build. You do have to cut, measure, modify. You do have to do some work to put it together. She's not a snap or glue together or a bolt together like a lot of foam planes are. This took me 7 hours to put together, and this is my first real good quality balsa pine plane, and I'm very pleased with her. She flies great, sounds great, flies great, got a good stiff wing, and like I say, if you're going to put this together, you're not going to put it together in an hour. You're going to have to spend the whole afternoon putting her together. So, and even then, letting things cure overnight. All right, folks, God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. A big shout out to my camera Precious for filming for me. God bless each and every one of y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and good old balsa planes. Bye-bye.